which of the following is the factor of this polynomial? But where should you start the solution? Come here, I want to show you the solution. To start this, I'm going to start with this term, which means 4a squared. Let me write it here, 4a squared. As you know, 4 can be written as the product of 2 and 2. Also, a squared can be written as the product of 2 and 2. So, what is this? It can be written as 2 to the power of 2 times a to the power of 2. But what is this? 2a to the power of 2. Alright, this is our first step. Then, I'm going to work on this term, 25 times b to the power of 2. What is 25? 25 can be written as the product of 5 times 5. B squared can be written as the product of p times b. So what is this? 5 times 5 or 5 to the power of 2 times b to the power of 2 or 5 times b whole to the power of 2. And last one, the middle term, 20ab. As you know, 20 can be written as the product of 2 times 5 times. We have a here and we have b here. But what is this? I write these two here. Then 2 and a can be written as 2a. 5 and b can be written as 5b. But what is this? Let's rewrite this polynomial. 4a squared plus 20ab plus 25b squared. As you know, 4a squared or 2a whole squared. Then 20ab or 2 times 2a times 5b. And the last one, 25b squared or 5b to the power of 2. But what is this? Now I'm going to follow an algebraic identity that says a plus b squared. The square of the sum of two terms can be written as first term squared plus twice of product of the first term and second term plus second term squared. So let's keep it here. But how can we use this one to continue the solution? Here, left side, right side. Now we are going to work backward from right side to left side. This is exactly our right side, which is first term to the power of 2, second term to the power of 2, twice of the product of the first term and second term. So it can be written as 2a first term plus second term to the power of 2. What is this? It is same as 2a plus 5b times 2a plus 5b. And this is the factored form of this polynomial. Now, you can choose which one of these is our answer. Absolutely option B.